If you want to get X.com, also known as Twitter Premium, on your PC, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. We'll go over how to find the premium page, compare the available plans, and subscribe so you can start using the features that come with your chosen tier. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC and go to X.com. Once the website loads, log into your account with your username and password. If you're not signed in yet, you won't be able to access the premium subscription options, so make sure you're on the correct account before moving on. After you're signed in, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where X keeps most of the main account options. In that menu, click on ePremium. This will take you to the subscription area where you can see the different membership plans available for your account. Now you'll see the plan options. X usually offers different tiers, such as Basic, Premium, and Premium Plus. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, because the features can vary depending on the subscription level. If you only want the core premium features, Basic may be enough. If you want more advanced tools and benefits, you can choose a higher tier like Premium or Premium Plus. Once you've decided which plan fits your needs, click the one you want to subscribe to. After that, you'll be taken to the payment step. Enter your payment details carefully and review everything before confirming. Make sure the billing information is correct, then complete the purchase by clicking the subscribe or pay button. After the payment goes through, your account should update with your new premium status. You can go back to your profile or subscription settings to confirm that the upgrade is active. From there, you'll be able to start using the features included in your selected plan. And that's it. You've now learned how to get X.com or Twitter Premium on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.